Welcome to our guide on installing OpenClaw. Today, we'll walk you through each step of the installation process and equip you with the necessary skills to set up and troubleshoot OpenClaw effectively. Welcome to this tutorial on installing OpenClaw, the cutting-edge AI tool designed to enhance your data processing capabilities. Did you know that failing to properly install AI tools can lead to significant productivity losses? In today's fast-paced digital world, mastering the installation of tools like OpenClaw is essential. Stay tuned as we guide you through every step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate this powerful tool into your workflow. Before diving into the installation, it's vital to ensure that your system meets all prerequisites. First, verify that your operating system is compatible with OpenClaw. Generally, it supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but you should check for any specific version requirements. Additionally, you'll need to have Python installed since OpenClaw relies heavily on Python scripts. Make sure your system has sufficient RAM and disk space to accommodate the tool and its data processing needs. Also, confirm that you have administrative privileges to install new software, and consider backing up important data to avoid any potential loss during the setup. Now that your system is ready, let's download the OpenClaw package. Head over to the official OpenClaw website and navigate to the download section. Always make sure to download the latest stable release to benefit from the newest features and security patches. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system and begin the download. Once the package is downloaded, verify its integrity by checking the SHA-256 hash provided on the website. This ensures that your download is complete and hasn't been tampered with. Take a moment to explore the contents of the package and familiarize yourself with the README and installation guide included.
With the package downloaded, it's time to set up your development environment. Start by installing any dependencies listed in the package documentation. These might include specific libraries or software tools. It's highly recommended to use a virtual environment for Python to prevent conflicts with other projects. You can create a virtual environment using tools like virtualenv or Conda. Once your virtual environment is active, proceed to install the necessary Python libraries, which are often listed in a requirements.txt file within the package. Finally, run a few test scripts to ensure that everything is functioning correctly before moving on to the next step.
Configuring system variables is a crucial step to ensure OpenClaw runs smoothly. Start by identifying which environment variables need to be set. These are usually documented in the installation guide or README file. To modify environment settings, go to your system's environment variable settings. On Windows, search for environment variables in the system properties. On Mac OS or Linux, you might need to edit your shell profile, such as bashrc or zshrc. Add the necessary paths and variables, then save and close the file. It's important to test these changes by opening a new terminal session and checking that the variables are recognized. Keep a record of these configurations for troubleshooting or future installations. With everything set up, you're ready to run the installation script. Locate the script file, which is often named install.sh or install.py. Before running it, ensure you have the necessary permissions, especially if you're on a multi-user system. Open your terminal, navigate to the directory containing the script, and execute it using the appropriate command. Monitor the installation process closely, as there may be prompts requiring input or confirmation. If the script encounters any errors, it's crucial to address them immediately. Once the script completes, look for a confirmation message indicating the successful installation of OpenClaw.
After installation, it's crucial to verify that OpenClaw is working correctly. Start by testing basic functionalities. This might involve running a few sample scripts included in the package. Check that OpenClaw interacts smoothly with other tools and libraries in your development environment. Review system logs for any error messages or warnings that could indicate underlying issues. If everything seems to be functioning as expected, document your verification process and results. This documentation will be invaluable if you encounter issues in the future or need to replicate the setup on a different machine.
Even with meticulous preparation, issues can arise during installation. Common errors might include missing dependencies, incorrect environment configurations, or permission issues. To resolve these, refer to the troubleshooting section in the installation guide or visit the OpenClaw community forums for advice. Engaging with the user community can provide valuable insights and solutions to uncommon problems. Additionally, maintain a detailed error log, capturing any issues and the steps taken to resolve them. This practice not only aids in troubleshooting but also enhances your problem-solving skills and contributes to a smoother installation process in the future.
Congratulations on installing OpenClaw. Now that it's up and running, here are some next steps to maximize its potential. Start by exploring the advanced features and capabilities of OpenClaw. Consider integrating it with your existing projects to enhance data processing efficiency. It's also important to stay informed about new updates and releases, as these often include critical improvements and security patches. Engage with the OpenClaw community by joining forums and discussions, where you can share your experiences and learn from others. Finally, plan for regular maintenance to keep your installation in top condition, ensuring it continues to meet your evolving needs.
Thank you for watching our guide on installing OpenClaw. We've covered everything from prerequisites and downloading the package, to troubleshooting and next steps. Proper installation is key to harnessing the full power of OpenClaw, so take the time to ensure every step is executed correctly. We'd love to hear about your installation experiences or any questions you might have. Drop them in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more insights on using OpenClaw and other AI tools. See you next time.